Hi, good morning. Do you know that God will provide? Yes, God will provide. You know, I have 30,000 loan from lending company. Every 15 days, I paid 3,000. So I have overall 6,000 a month in 6 months. So overall, with the interest is 36,000. In spite of my pigs was all died, still God will provide. I I paid my loan 3,000 15 days and 6,000 monthly. So thank God because His promise is true. God will provide. Just comment down below and subscribe. God bless.